So why you should keep your brushes clean? Simple question, right? My name is Gabor Schwartek. Welcome to my channel. So over the years, and I'm guilty of this too, I see, of course, I say students, I was a student once too, but I used to take a paper towel and until it's like drenched with paint thinner and paint, I would kind of have it in my hand. And I would keep wiping it, right, in the paper towel and then go back and mix. So it doesn't make sense once the thing is the paper towel is full of paint and I try to clean it, right, but I really can't because it's full of paint. And I go back and mix and let's say I get into my sky area, right? Then I'm like, why is my sky kind of muddy? Well, duh, because I didn't use a clean paper towel, right? So make sure when you're painting, as much as it, mentally think, oh, I'm gonna throw that paper towel out, I'm saving paper towels, it's gonna hurt you painting. So which one do you want? Do you want to save paper towels or you want a cleaner color? So it's about clean color, basically. That's what this post is about having clean color. That's part of it too. Of course, there could be few other things too that will help you get cleaner colors. But one of the most important ones, and as I'm waving this brush, this is I don't know. It's probably not going to zoom in, but it's like a 1.5 inch by, I don't know, maybe an inch long, 1.5 inch long, kind of like a chip brush. You can get it at the hardware store. And I like using it for certain things, not for everything. I do like the number 6. Again, just try to focus, like it'll focus right here because it's focusing on my eye, the camera. But the number 6 is a good brush to have. It's kind of reverse. I got to do it in reverse because I'm looking at a monitor. A general good brush that I like to use, a number 6. But you got to keep your brushes clean because that's how you're going to get clean color. You're dragging stuff that's in your paper towel, and I've gone, I do this in class, and I go around and I see students doing this, and I said, what are you doing? Why do you have that same paper towel for the last hour in your hand? It's really hurting your painting, at least for color's sake. So you got to get rid of that. I mean, it's basically few strokes and then clean and throw out. And it's funny because paper towels, people have this thing in class like, oh, is it Viva? Is it what kind of paper towel? It really doesn't matter. What matters is that you tear it, you do a few brush strokes, right? Clean it and then toss it. You got to toss it out. If you don't, your colors are going to keep getting muddy. Now, sometimes some of these come in like one, like a half a sheet kind of thing. You can tear it off, and then sometimes a full sheet. Generally, when I'm working on my easel, I usually have I double up on the sheets, and when I put it down, so I really dab it out, like I really push down on it. If I'm in the studio, if I'm outside, I'm just gonna wipe it. Few strokes, wipe it. If I see another area that's clean, then use that. I kind of go a few areas where it's clean and then wipe it and then throw it out. All right, that's really important. It's such a simple little thing to do that could really help you in getting cleaner colors. It's one of the number one things that I see in class that people, the reason why they have muddy colors is because they're picking up all this stuff that's on the towel. They're picking it up and they're carrying it back onto the painting. So don't do that, all right? Promise you won't do that. I think it's an easy tip that will help you in the long run, for sure. I've been doing this for a long time, so I've made this mistake too. I'm definitely guilty of it also, but it's just a simple one to follow through. So please subscribe, share, look below this video. If you're using Procreate, I have this membership site where I help you to show you how to use Procreate for design purposes, and I help you too. It's a private community thing. So look down below this video. I'll put the link below. And it's a great community. Procreate is an awesome tool. It's only for the iPad, so make sure you have an iPad. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you guys next time.